Hello, in this screencast I'm going to show about the new IDE inside, which has changed a lot between XE4 and XE5. So let's start first by highlighting that now the IDE inside is located on the toolbar. So here is a search field. There is no modal dialog anymore, so it's always available. As a toolbar, you can move it at any place you want. Okay, so usually this is the place. I like it. And the functionality is that if at any time you press F6 or Control dot, this field gets the focus no matter where you are on the IDE. Okay, so let's start by, for example, creating a new mobile application. As you can see, as you type, the results are being filtered, and you get here which is the category for that item. And using the cursors, you can highlight the item you want, and pressing enter, you get the item created. Okay, for example, you can now press F6 again, and then decide to create a new mobile form. Okay, this is very handy because you have all the options for your IDE available using the keyboard with simple keystrokes. So also highlight that every time you highlight the IDE inside, if you already had any previous text there, the results using that filter are also shown. So in this case, we had mobile here, and when I focus again the field, I get the results I wanted. So this is very handy. For example, if I want to create a button here, and then I press F6 again, I can create another button. Okay, there is no need for me to clear the field. Okay, another thing about focusing on keystrokes is that, for example, here, if you, for example, press the ESC key, okay, once, then the field is clear, and you can type any other thing, whatever. Okay, but if you press a second time, then the focus return where it was. So this is very handy if you are writing code. There is no need for you to switch between your mouse and keyboard back and forth. So the actions you can execute here, for example, about or color. Okay, you can execute the actions by pressing enter or just clicking on the action you want. Okay, this focus the right action. Also the cursors allow you to move on the list, and this is pretty much. I mean, this is very handy, and on the previous version it was somewhat hidden in here, search IDE inside. So now it's always visible, and we wanted to highlight this feature for every customer because it was a bit hidden, and we think it's very handy, and you will get used to it very soon. Okay, thank you very much.